I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, sis. Listen, y'all, come on in, grab you a drink. I got me a little wine, honey. Grab you a drink if you're of age. If not, get some juice, cookies, milk. I'm not really sure, but just have a seat and let's play in makeup. To get started, I've already moisturized, cleansed my face. I don't have a sweat sponge. I need to get me a sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm gonna use the Milk Primer today. I gotta make sure my mic on every time I'm sitting here. I did put some of this brow glue on my brows from NYX, and y'all, I love this stuff. And I'm gonna let those dry before I start fooling with them. For foundation today, I'm gonna use the NARS foundation. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. I'm in the shade Macao and Marquise's. I gotta go back and forth with both of them, so it depends on what my skin feeling like that day. I'm gonna also use this Morphe E63 brush. I haven't worn this in a hot little minute. I've been trying to get stuff done around the house today. It's so pretty outside. I got some of my windows up. I'm going to take my Fenty concealer in the shade 420. I'm going to use that first to conceal. I'm going to take a little bit of that Bounce concealer by Beauty Blender. It's so creamy. I wish I would have got the right shade. I spent my money on that, so I'm gonna use that. Which I could have took it back. I don't know, y'all. I'm still debating, but I ain't got nobody box or nothing. All it is in the trash. But it works well with my other concealers. Look at that. I'm going to take the Soul Body Bronzer. I'm taking the newer shade that I hauled in my last video. This is in the shade Deep Dark. I'm going to take that and do like some quick little cream contour because I really like this cream contour product. I really, really do. I'm going to use this 4HD Kabuki brush by Sigma. See how that works to apply it. I really, really do like that. But yeah, that other one is more of like a cool tone type of bronzer. It's not, I need it warmer than that. I don't want it looking too dark on my cheeks. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm going to take the shade number 25. And I'm going to use that to set my under eye. I normally use the shade 30. I'm going to take this Glamour Bronze bronzer. This is in the shade Leader. I'm going to use that to set that cream that I just set down. Oh, I'm also going to be using this new Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear powder. I'm going to use this to set my entire face. This is in the shade Copper. Ooh, I like that powder. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our brows. Also, let's do this Benefit Brow Pencil. This is in the shade number 5. I'm going to use this Fenty Cocoa Naughty to contour my nose before I do anything to my eyes. Let's take this Nubian Glow Palette by Juvia'S. So first off, I'm going to take that orange shade. They don't have names. I'm just gonna put this in my crease. That's really pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit of this P. Louise base and I'm going to blend it all over my lid. Oh wow. That is pretty. So I'm gonna take the style Baby Girl Lashes by Slay Lashes. You can get these off of my website, Beauty by D.Beasley. beauty.com. I'm gonna take this orange. I'm gonna bring the orange down. I want to take a little bit of that shadow that I put in on my lid. I want to put that on the lower portion as well. Or I'm gonna take this gold shade here, and I'm gonna put that below that. I hope y'all can see. Let's take this Hypnotist blush. Okay, so let's do lips. I'm gonna take this Suede Matte Lip Liner in Cold Brew. Then I'm gonna take this NYX gloss in the shade Milk and Honey and put that on. It's a really neutral gloss. Okay, beauty, so here's the finished look. How are we liking it? I'm really loving this eye look, girl. Really. And baby, these baby girls set it all the way off. So, honey. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye, beauties.